Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today we're gonna change out the PCV valve for the 2011 Rav4 V6, and this is the part number. So you need a PC valve, and then you need a 19mm socket, and you don't need to do this, but I'll do it. It's a thread sealer. So let's go over and take out the PCV valve on the car. So first you need to do is take off the cover. And as you can see, the PCV valve is right here. So it's right here. So this is a 19 millimeter. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Should I even take it out by hand? It's not that hard. There you go. And now get your torque wrench and take it out. So my car is 80,000 miles. So let's see, hey, what's the condition of this? 80,000 miles. Here you go. 80,000 miles. So the way you test this is you shake it. If they make a rattling sound, like you hear right now, that's mean it's still good. But since 80,000 miles and this thing is only about $6, so I'll just go ahead and replace it. So here it is, the new one. So I put a little bit of thread sealer in it, but you don't need to. This is optional, so it's up to you. So we just put it back. And you slow the torque down to 36 Newton meter. So 36 Newton meter. That's the torque spec. There you go. There you go. Just do a little wipe. Make sure everything is nice and clean. And then plug the port back. There you go. That's it. Simple, easy. You can do it in 5 minutes. And it's cheap, and it's one of those maintenance that you need to do. So I replace mine every 30,000 miles. So if you never replace it, go ahead and replace it. It's a good idea to replace it. So that's it for this video. It's short, I know, because it's pretty easy. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.